Did you know the world exists purely because of the force of attraction and repulsion? It is mainly because of the attraction and repulsion between the particles that the environment remains well balanced for. One such practical application of this law is Coulomb's law. The Charles Augustin de Coulomb proposes this Charles law with two main statements, and he gives the idea about the force between the two charges. The first statement is the electrostatic force between the 2 point charges at rest is directly proportional to the product of the magnitudes of the charges, and the second statement, and that force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Then suppose the two charges Q1 and Q2, it has a force of attraction or repulsion. We know the like charges will repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. So there is a force of attraction or repulsion between the charges, and these charges are separated by a distance r. Okay. Then according to the statement, we can write the electrostatic force is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of the charges. So we can write product of the magnitude of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. If we combine these two equations, we can write F is proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square. Okay, to remove the proportionality sign, multiply with a constant, then we will get the force equation, that is F is equal to K times Q1 Q2 by R square. This is the force, electrostatic force between the 2 point charges at rest.